So what's up guys, this is KenFX and you know what time is it? You understand, it's Saturday. So we're going to do our weekly recap. The trade that took within the week. This week is a little bit sumptuous. You understand, it's a little bit I had a winning trade as you can see on my stream. So but then let's dive into it. So guys, this is BTC USD. So let me take this thing off so I'll start. Remove control. So guys, earlier this week here, I was looking at the price when price was here, this order block here, this daily order block. So I can see price closing, candlestick closing in and rejecting, rejecting of this order block, even though they break the order block, but the candlestick body respected, the order block. You understand? Even though I know that this was a break of structure here to the downside. This was a break of structure here to this downside here. That is a POS there. So I was expecting price, at least to pull up into maybe probably this other block. After this candlestick here, that's what I was expecting, this other block here. You understand? Before pushing down, that's what I was expecting. So on Monday, I went down to the 2 hours time frame, 2 hours to do my analysis. So this was where price was, I think on Monday. Monday price was somewhere here. I think what was that? Okay, yeah. The price was about getting to that my POI, but then I was expecting it. But what was I expecting it by? This was a break of structure here. This is the origin that caused that break of structure, which did not get mitigated before price push up. This origin here, so it didn't get mitigated that very before price pushed up, and being that price have not gotten to this point, this is my POI here. That was the analysis I did on the Monday though, but then I still have the second POI here, the most recent break of structure. This is the POI, because if you look closely, this is the most recent break of structure here to the upside, and you can see clearly this is the other block that triggered that break of structure. But then let's keep that. So on my 1 hour chart here, I was on my 1 hour chart, I think waiting for price to come and tap in here. I think it was on the Wednesday, and I noticed like price rejected from this point here, you understand? Bear it in mind that on the daily time frame you are bearish, so I already know that we are going to be bearish. I'm just waiting for price to to get to this POI probably, but I noticed that price might not necessarily get to this up one, because as you can see, when price tapped in here the first time, consolidated, now took out all these liquidities here, all this engagement here, all of them here, you understand? Strip the liquidity, gives us a break of structure to the downside here. Let me ignore this one. Give us this BOS to the downside, so showing that price is about to change direction to the downside. So the origin that caused this break of structure, as you can see, this was the last bullish candle that was created before this break of structure, because this is the candlestick that triggered the break of structure. This was the candlestick that triggered the break of structure, and this was the last bullish candlestick here. So I mapped out this and was waiting for price to come back to it, and as you can see, it has a fair value gap and also has an inducement, structural liquidity. So this was my structural liquidity here. So but then I wasn't really certain when price got here. I wasn't really certain, I needed some confirmation before taking the trade. So I went to my 15 minutes time frame for confirmation. You know what our confirmation is? A bearish engulfing. Since we are going down to you are selling, so I was looking for a bearish engulfing, and price gave me this bearish engulfing here, this bearish engulfing candlestick, this one here. This was this bullish candlestick. Let me zoom in. This bullish candlestick tapped into this our origin here. So, and after it tapped in, it gives us this bearish engulfing here, this black candlestick here, which is the bearish engulfing. And after this bearish engulfing, I sold immediately from there, from this point here. I think here. I think I sold somewhere here. And my stop loss a little bit above this point here, a little bit above this swing high, somewhere there. Yeah. So when I went for 1:4, and I went for 1:4, I think somewhere here. And as you can see, market gave me this beautiful delivery. You understand? So when market got to this our POI, let me go back to the 1 hour chart. So when market got to this POI here, so I was expecting it to to retrace, maybe give me some kind of that's a bullish engulfing to buy, because now this is the most recent break of structure now to the downside. This is the most recent break of structure to the downside, BOS. So let me delete this thing. I feel like it's too crowded. Let me clear out this one that I'm not using for now. So when market gave me this break of structure to this downside here, so the origin that caused this break of structure to the downside, so I mapped out this order block here, this one. I use this too. So I was expecting price to come up. I was expecting price to come up to this point, then I'll sell again. But then I needed to buy because I have this my POI mapped out here. So first of all, I tried buying from here without confirmation. Try buying from this point here without confirmation, and it went straight to my SL. I didn't wait for confirmation. When you get to this second one, this is my second POI. This one here, when it tapped in, I think it was a 45-minute time frame. What time frame did I use for that thing? So is it 15 minutes? Let me see. Okay, yeah, it was on this 15-minute time frame again. So he gave me, after tapping in, he gave me this bullish engulfing here, this one here. This one, after that I bought immediately from this point. And my stop loss somewhere here, a little bit there. So I raised lower, and I was aiming for this POI, so I'll sell from there again. And I just want to play the market that Wednesday. Just want to catch every move there. So as you can see, market went almost to my take profit, very little to my take profit. I know the deal now. You understand? Rather wait for take profit to SL. You understand? I didn't take any partial from because there's only one position that I opened, so there was no partial on this one. So market went almost to my TP, then it went down. So when it came down to this point, I was expecting that it will reject from here. That's why I did not close. Honestly, I was expecting the market will reject from that point, this point here. That's why I was expecting the market to reject from. But market did its thing, did otherwise, and then pushed straight to my SL. So that's the trade for this week. I just did for this week. You understand? So I took 3 trades. I lost one. I won one. I lost one. And with that, I was able to bring my account back to break even. You understand? My account is back to break even because I won this one ratio for I reached 10,000 here, and I made about 40. You understand? I made about 40. And this buy that I took here, that was a loss. I think I lost about 5k or thereabouts. That's what I lost on this one. And this one, I think it was a break even. I made about 9k, but then I'll put it here. You understand? So and as for this, my USD CHF, I didn't really take anything. Look at the setup that I did here on CHF. Okay, did not trigger, but then it pushed down. Even this one, I was expecting price to come up to this point, so there's nothing really much on CHF. But then, I mean, it's exciting, you know. I thought I was losing my account, honestly speaking. I thought I would lose my account. You know what happened? Last week I was like, I've lost, 50% of the account. But then with, RR, I was able to, bring it back with just one win. And mind you, if I open my journal is not on this iPad. You understand? It's on my laptop. So if I open my journal, I've taken about 12 trades. I think 12 or 11 trades about, and they just 2 win. Others have been losses. 2 win, one break even, and I'm still able to to keep my account. You understand? That's the power of risk management. You understand? So I've been doing really well in risk management. I've been able to to pass that stage, knowing what to risk. So it's now the stage of making money, which is what I'm into like this now. This stage of making money. So I'll be able to conquer and be able to to stabilize myself on risk management. So it's a win-win for me. You understand? So I believe next week will be better. You understand? Come back again next week and we'll catch more wins. So I see you all next week, and don't forget to like, subscribe, just have fun, and also comment. You understand? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to learn from me, I'm open to teach you whatever you want to learn. You understand? Especially on BTC USD. Like I've studied BTC USD. I have 2 different strategies I'm using to trade BTC USD. You understand? So I have the one to trade even like twice a day or lesser. You understand? So do it to hit me up if you want to learn. You understand? So that is it for this one. Catch you on my next video. Thank you.